Hello children, we are in chapter 2, addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about how can we add the 4-digit numbers without regrouping and then with regrouping. And then about properties of addition. What are the properties are there in addition? We have to discuss about that. Okay, let us see first 4-digit addition without regrouping. Okay, in that see one example, add 3824 and 2165. Now we have to add these numbers. Okay, first we have to write that numbers one below the other. 3824 plus 2165. Okay, and then we have to start from addition ones place to thousand place. Right. Now we have to start from one place. Okay, see here in one's place 4 and 5 is there. How can we add this number now? First we have to keep this 4 in our mind and then take 5 in our hand. Okay, how can we add this number now? After 4, we have to count our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, so 4 plus 5 equals to 9, and then we have to add now tens place digit 2 plus 6, right? 2, we have to keep this 2 in our mind and then take 6 in our hand. Okay, 2 after we have to count our fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to write that 8 in a tens place, and then now we have to add a hundreds place digit. In hundreds place 8 and 1 is there, that is equals to 9, and then 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. So the answer is equals to 5989. This is addition without regrouping. Now about C, let us see exercise. Exercise 2.1, A may add. First one, 3246 plus 2332. Now here we have to add first ones place digit. 6 plus 2 equals 2. We have to keep that 6 in our mind and then take 2 in our hand. 6 after we have to count our fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Right? That is equals to 8. And then in tens place 4 and 3 is there. We have to keep this 4 in our mind and then take 3 in our hand. 4 after 3 finger means 4 after 5, 6, 7. Okay, that is in tens place we have to write that 7. And then in hundreds place 2 and 3 is there, that is equals to 5. And then 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. So the answer is equals to 5578. And then second question, 2326 plus 1370. 6 plus 0 equals to 6. Because any number we have to add with 0 means we will get that number itself. So 6 plus 0, that is equals to 6 only. Okay, and then in tens place 2 and 7 is there, that is equals to 9. And then 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So the answer is equals to 3696. Next, third one, 5739 plus 2150. That is equals to 7889. Next, fourth one, 1009 plus 8880. You have to do this in a textbook. Fifth one also. Next, sixth one, 3204 plus 3204. Okay, first we have to add this ones place digit, that is equals to 8. 0 plus 0, that is equals to 0 only. And then 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So the answer is equals to 6408. Seventh one, 6354 plus 324. That is equals to 6678. Like this only you have to add all these problems. Okay, up to 12th, and then 13th one also like that same only, 13 to 20. See here in 17th onwards, See in question, 1434 plus 2312 plus 3040 plus 3101. Here in one's place 4 digits are there, right? This also we have to add like that same only. First we have to keep that 4 in our mind and then take 2 in our hand. 4 after 5, 6, right? 6 plus 0 equals to 6 only. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. We have to write that 7 in a ones place digit. And then we have to add a tens place digit. See, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. 8 plus 0 equals to 8 only. We have to write that 8 in a tens place. And then we have to add a hundreds place digit. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 7 plus 0 equals to 7. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. And then thousand place. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. So the answer is equals to 9887. Like this only you have to add up to 20th problem. Okay, and then about B main, that is also same addition, add. First one, 3805 plus 2073. First we have to write that numbers one below the other and then we have to add the numbers like same only, ones place to thousand place. Okay, that is equals to 5 plus 3 equals to 8, 0 plus 7 equals to 7, 8 plus 0 equals to 8, 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So the answer is equals to 5878. See, second one, 123 plus 2302. Here also we have to write the numbers in first in a proper way. In hundreds place down only we have to write a hundreds place number. Okay, don't do mistake here. See, 123 plus 2302. First you have to write like this and then you have to add from ones place to thousand place. Okay, 3 plus 2 equals to 5, 2 plus 0 equals to 2, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And then here no number means you have to write this number only. 2 equals to 2 only. Answer is equals to 2425. Third one you have to do like this. And then fourth one, 1343 plus 212 plus 3213. That is equals to 4768. Next, fifth one also you have to do. Next, sixth one, 111 plus 32 plus 2222 plus 4321. That is equals to 6686. First you have to write that numbers in a proper way. Seventh one also see, 8321, 432, 25, 1 is there. You have to write that numbers one below the other in a proper way. Okay, and then eighth one, 3 plus 32 plus 421 plus 5203. That is equals to 5659. Okay, this is up to exercise 2.1. Which one I left here? You have to do that problems in a notebook. Don't copy these answers directly. You have to add and then you have to write. Okay, and then about addition of story sums. See, in a school library, there are 4,425 story books and 3,314 subjects book. How many books are there in the library? Okay, see here, in a school library, how many story books are there? 4,425. And then how many subject books are there? 3,314. How many books are there in the library? Okay, total how many books are there in the library means what we have to do here? Here also we have to do addition only. Okay, see now answer. The number of story books are in the library is equals to 4,425. Right? In the story books, how many story books are there in the library? 4,425. And then how many subject books are there? The number of subject books are in the library is equals to 3,314. Now total number of books are there in the library is equals to 7,739. Okay, here we have to do addition. This 5 plus 4 equals to 9, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, 4 plus 3 equals to 7, and then 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So total number of books are in the library is equals to 7,739. And then about second one. Amla's stamp album has 1,234 stamps. And then her sister's stamp album has 4,321 stamps. How many stamps do they have together? See, in Amla's stamp album, how many stamps are there? 1,234 stamps. Right? Her sister's stamp album, how many stamps are there? 4,321. So total number of stamps in both they have together is equals to, we have to do addition. Right, see, the number of stamps in the Amla stamp book is equals to 1,234. And then the number of stamps in her sister's stamp book is equals to 4,321. So total number of, therefore the number of stamps both they have together is equals to, here also we have to do addition. We have to add now these two numbers. 4 plus 1 equals to 5, 3 plus 2 equals to 5, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Therefore, the number of stamps both they have together is equals to 5,555. Okay, this is about story sums. And then next, 4-digit addition with regrouping. Okay, example, add 4,876 and 2,757. Here also, first we have to write that numbers one below the other. Okay, 4,876 plus 2,757. Here also steps and methods are same only. We have to start from ones place to thousand place. Okay, now we have to add ones place digit. See here in ones place 6 and 7 is there. How can we add this number now? First, we have to keep the 6 in our mind and then take 7 fingers in our hand. Right? 6 after, we have to count our 7 fingers. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? We have to write that 3 in a ones column. Okay, 30 means we have to write that 3 in a ones column, and then this 1 we have to carry to the next tens column. Okay, we have to write that 3 in a ones column and then carry 1 to the next tens column. Now we have to add this tens place digit. 1 plus 7, that is equals to 8. 8 plus 5 equals to 13. Okay, here also we have to write this 3 in a tens column and then carry this 1. Okay, this 1 to the next hundreds column. See, now we have to add this hundreds column digit. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. 9 plus 7 equals to 16. Okay, here also we have to write this 6 in a hundreds column and then carry 1 to the next thousands column. Okay, now we have to add this thousands column digits. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So the answer is equals to 7,633. Understood? How can we add this number? Right. See, now exercise 2.2. Here also first main add using the short method. See, first one, 544 plus 864. Here also first we have to add a ones place digit. 4 plus 4 equals to 8 and then 4 plus 6 equals to. Here also we have to keep 4 in our mind and then take 6 fingers in our hand. 4 after we have to count that as 6 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? We have to write this 0 in a tens column and then carry 1 to the next hundreds column. Okay, now we have to add this hundreds place digit. 5 plus 1 equals to 6, 6 plus 8 equals to 6 you have to keep in your mind, then take 8 fingers in your hand. Okay, now you have to add that 8 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so the answer is equals to 1408. Next, second one, 477 plus 839. 7 plus 9 equals to 16. You have to write that 6 in a ones place and then carry 1 to the next tens place. Now you have to add this a tens place digit. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. 8 plus 3 equals to 11. You have to write that 1 in a tens place and then carry 1 to the next hundreds place. Okay, now you have to add this a hundreds place digit. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. 5 plus 8 equals to 13. So the answer is equals to 1316. Third one, 880 plus 960, that is equals to 1840. Fourth one you have to do in your textbook, otherwise classwork. Fifth one also. Next, sixth one, 7466 plus, 746 plus 607, that is equals to 1353. Next, seventh one, 778 plus 222, that is equals to 1000. Eighth one, you have to do in your textbook. You have to add this number and then here you have to write that answer. Okay, next, B main also same, addition only, add. Okay, first one, 3848 plus 5909, that is equals to 9757. Second one, 6492 plus 1985, that is equals to 8477. Third one, 6980 plus 2289, that is also equals to 9269. Fourth one and fifth one you have to do. Sixth one, 6587 plus 696, that is equals to 7283. Seventh one, 3489 plus 5207. Okay, see, first we have to add a ones place digit and then tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, right? So the answer is equals to 8696. Eighth one you have to do. Ninth one, 5107 plus 28 plus 2938, that is equals to 8073. See here, in ones place 3 digits are there. You have to add like that, same method only. Okay, next 10th one, 6378 plus 967 plus 1045. You have to do in your textbook. 11th one, 3632 plus 486 plus 572, that is equals to 4690. And then 12th one, 4309 plus 72 plus 96, that is equals to 4477. Like that only 13 to 28 you have to add. Okay, in that same method only you have to add and write the answer. Which one I left here, you have to add that numbers and you have to write. And then which one I wrote, that also you have to do addition. Don't copy these answers directly. Separately you have to add and then you have to write. Okay. Next, C main. Write one below the other and add. Okay. First one, 567 plus 643 you have to do. See second one, 812 plus 488. First we have to write that numbers one below the other and then we have to add. Okay, see 812 plus 488, like this only first we have to write. And then see, we have to add first a ones place digit. 2 plus 8 equals 2. First we have to keep that 2 in our mind and then take 8 fingers in our hand. Right? 2 after, you have to count your fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 2 plus 8 equals to 10. We have to write that 0 in a ones place and then carry 1 to the next tens place. Now we have to add this a tens place digit. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 plus 8 equals to 10 only. We have to write that 0 in a tens place and then carry 1 to the next hundreds place. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. 9 plus 4 equals to 13. So the answer is equals to 1300. Next, third one you have to do like this same method. And then fourth one, 4350 plus 880. Right? You have to write that numbers like this in a proper method. Write one below the other, but in hundreds place column only you have to write a hundreds place digit. Okay, 4350 plus 880. That is equals to 5230. Next, fifth one, 7046 plus 1798. That is equals to 8844. Sixth one, you have to do like the same. Next, seventh one, 1096 plus 2346 plus 3062. See here, in ones place 3 digits are there. You have to add that 3 digits. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. 12 plus 2 equals to 14. You have to write that 4 in a ones place and then carry 1 to the next tens place. Now you have to add this tens place digit. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. 10 plus 4 equals to 14. 14 plus 6 equals to 20. You have to write that 0 in a tens column and then carry to the next hundreds column. 2 plus 0 equals to 2 only. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. And then thousands place digit. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Okay, so the answer is equals to 6504. Eighth one you have to do. Ninth one, 1074 plus 2306 plus 23. The answer is equals to 3403. Next, 10th one, 1217 plus 1934 plus 2407 plus 2378. That is equals to 7936. This is up to exercise 2.2. I hope you understood how can we add the numbers with regrouping and then without regrouping. Okay, thank you children.